Hello everyone and welcome to JoJo's Brick Time. The Lego Friends Pet Daycare Centre. So this came out in March 2022. It has 593 pieces and I'm loving this set so much. Love that little picture there of River and Priyanka. Alright, let's open up and see what we get inside this one. And here's the sticker sheet. Lots of cool stickers. One instruction booklet included, and here's all the other sets from this year. And we get 5 bags in this, and this extra bag, let's build. Bag 1, and this is where you build all the little tiny builds, and we are starting with Emma. We've seen these clothes before last year and they are still my favourite. I really like the little cat top and the cat ears. We're going to get her to hold this little ring and a doggy bone. And here is a tan little Westie looking dog. His face is just so cute. He's got a little mustache and he's jumping through the hoop and wanting a bone. And little Henry is here. Now we could have gotten a new outfit for Henry, but it's alright, at least we get a micro doll. And here's Chico. Now is a little skateboard, and this is the little agility course, so the little dog's gonna go round and round. And this is Chico's little cat stand. I love how this is built. I might make more of these for some of my other houses. There's Chico, we need to pop a bow on him, and I'm super stoked with that cat stand. Now this is going to be a little splash pool. And this is going to go on the bottom of that pink slide later on. And Cookie decided to go in the splash pool with his skateboard. This is just a little jumping thing and the cat's jumped over it. And now we need a skate park section, so a big ramp for Cookie to do some flips on too. There's some very talented animals attending this daycare. This is just going to be like a little ramp, I guess, for them to sit on or run across. Pop this little sticker on, and the cat and dog are friends over here. Pop all the little, okay, Henry, get off the cat stand. Put all the little builds here. There's the splash pool, and Henry's going in the splash pool with Cookie. Bag 2, and this will be the start of the daycare centre. I'm super excited about this build. Just putting together River, same outfit as from the treehouse. I love it. He looks great, and we're just giving him a little bottle because he is going to feed Twister, the little bunny, and off she goes. Let's feed her there. And this is the little cart that River's going to pull Twister along in. Very simple build, but very cute. There's River, he plonked Twister into the cart and off they go to the daycare centre. Now, the start of the daycare centre, and this is Cookie's area, so this is the puppy dog's area. We've got food and poo next to the food bowl. Why do animals like doing poops next to their food? Love this groovy pattern from the tiles. I reckon that looks really nice. And just popping in a gate to keep the puppy dog in. Need a little broom for cleaning and a pooper scooper shovel. And this is a chart of who's cleaning the poop up. Alright, I wouldn't want that job. And the rest of the daycare centre here. Love the colour scheme they've used. I really like this kaleidoscope of colour. This section is where the couch and the little coffee table's going to go, so you can sit and relax and watch the fish. What a cool fish tank. That goes over there, and I love this. This is a little couch and I love how this is built, and I am actually going to use this in some of my other houses. I really like it. This looks super comfy and the mini dolls won't fall off that. Look at that. I love it. We need a carrot there for the bunny, the twisted bunny, and here's a chart for the cat. I'm guessing how many pats the cat's gonna get today, maybe. And this looks like a little tiny plastic chair. So we're gonna pop that over here near the coffee table. And I had some leftover jumper plates which I forgot to put in there. So bag 3, and this is a very big bag of bricks. There's lots of parts in this. And we've got Priyanka, she's got the same pants. Love her top, love that tie waist at the front there. Little squiggles at the back, and her hairdo I can't get enough of. Here's little Rumble, and Priyanka will be feeding him a big bunch of broccoli. Yum! Now it's just doing up the walls and putting lots and lots of windows in. These studded bricks at the front, they're going to have tiles on them later on, so there's going to be like a pattern of tiles, so that's what they're for. And just building a row of green bricks up the top here, and we're going to be putting in purple flooring at the top. Now more grassy looking entrance here, so this is where the puppy dog's going to walk through. It's so cute. Lots of flowers, lots of greenery, and check out the bone on the door when you walk in. How cute. And this thing is just decoration for the front of the build. Another angled door on this side with a doggy bone, and there's the doggy sign. That's so cute. Doghouse. All right, let's build this up. Okay, putting in a little mat there for the doggy to wipe his feet, and this is just another wall, so this will be going on the other side, and there's going to be tiles there also. Lots of windows to let light in. Spin it round because this little part here is going to be for Rumble. So this is where the hamster's going to sit. There's his little name tag and gorgeous little drink bottle for him. More windows and more green bricks. So that goes there on the side, and just doing the same type of walls over here. And now putting in all this purple flooring. I like how enclosed this building is, and it's very, very detailed already inside. So bag 4, lots of parts here. Oh, and I get to open the slide bits, these little tubes. This section here is where the yellow slide will be. And now I am just doing the start of the swimming pool part. I love how this is built. You'll see it's going to be in the shape of a dog bone. This is a connecting piece, so it's actually going to connect to the main building. I can't get enough of this swimming pool. Like, it is so cute. Oh, I can't wait for it to be finished. What a cool idea. Slide going into the doggy bone pool. Oh my goodness, this looks amazing. I love it. Let's connect it, and now popping in the big slide. What an awesome build. I love this. It has surprised me. This is actually a really cool build. Palm tree with one leaf that keeps falling off. Turn it around, and now just doing more walls and windows for the top layer. More studded bricks because there's going to be more tiling at the front to add extra rainbows of colour. Just doing some tiling in this section because Chico's cat stand's going to be here in the fancy round glass window area. Little tile going in, showing a food bowl, so we're going to make a food bowl there later. And here's a little ladder because that's going to be going into the pink tube slide later on. I love that tube slide. I missed out on that with the water park set. I never bought that, so I'm loving I've got those parts now. And I love the pink colour of it. Bag 5, and the finishing touches are going to go in, and a big tile here. I love how each section of this build is a different colour, and the contrasting yellows and the blues and the pinks. They've really done this well. We've got a little solar panel there and the dark pink going on. I think they've done a great job with this set. It's actually really surprised me. Some green cones going in on the top just to add extra details on the roofline. This section here at the front is where we're going to be putting that big sign of the daycare, putting in some leaves and flowers, extra colour, and here's the sign, the daycare sign. And just putting in some plates at the back to hold all these extra details in. And now making the little kitty cat sign. How cute is this? And the puppy dog and its little floppy ears. Oh, I love that sign. And it goes above here. And now this part is a little bath. And again, the curving of the bath and the water running in there, very good. Little towels and a rubber ducky. And this is just a little table, and it's going to have a brush and a hairdryer. Okay, it goes up here, and this is the stand for Chico, and we're making a little dispenser for the biscuits for the animals, little food bowl there. I really love this build. This thing's to connect the slide and hold it in place, so you'll see in a sec how I attach everything. Okay, so this part of the slide attaches so it stays in place, and it's coming along. Chico on her stand there. We'll pop it over here. There's the tiles to add all the rainbow detail in. Let's pop everything together, and we're going to take a closer look at the slide. All the animals are going to have a turn of this water slide. Who is supervising Henry? Look, he's going down the slide now. He's face planted in the water, and I got to use a brick separator to push my cat through. River is cleaning up dog poop. My cat and Chico are having a bath together. I am feeding Twister while Priyanka stuffs broccoli into Rumble's mouth. The Lego Friends Pet Daycare Centre. I love this set. I love what's included in it. There is so much detail inside and out. I love all the little animals you get, the mini dolls, so much to do and play with this set. It's so colourful, and it goes so well with the pet adoption cafe and the little playground. So I hope you've enjoyed my video today, and everyone, get your bricks out.